about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above here your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications, just click on it here. You come to next step here, then you just go down, come here to verified playlist ads, click here in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean verified playlist ads disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.